the window.
Cav is in stock room. Cav is in stock room. I just tagged her, I think.
He already got it.
Ooh.
Yeah, we need a Thatcher.
Fuck.
I can't do nothing.
Cav's in stock, you said?
Yeah.
She's still there?
I don't know. I doubt it.
He's gonna get it.
Yo, construction is
That's it. We gotta push a different way.
That's Echo on team.
One in garage upstairs. I think it's bandit.
It's
Would be
over here on me.
Oh, that mirror.
Fucking
Smoke is upstairs in garage.
Yeah.
Let's go through construction.
Yeah, smoke is still up there. He's watching the garage entrance, so Finka, if you're quiet, you could probably get him.
I'll make noise
Go to the
garage.
garage door.
I'll make noise.
Don't ping, don't ping, don't ping. Now he's watching the garage door.
Bandit.
Cav should still be
Cav
in
dead.
water.
Cav's dead.
He's above the corner side. So northwest.
Mirror.
He's in that corner. He's in. Smoke is still in northwest corner of garage.
Right above there, Clarity.
Yep.
Pinged it.
Yep. Right above that. He's droning.
Got an injured.
On him?
He's still up there. He's still up there.
I got an injured on main stairs.
Fuck.
Main stairs.
Echo's in cash.
He's still in garage. He's on the stairs. Nice.
He's in cash.
Nice.
Let's go, Clarity.
Holy shit, Clarity.
Those women.
Holy shit, Clarity.
Bro, I wanted to win.
Holy shit, Clarity.
I was nowhere
I
near.
don't think you realize what the fuck you just did.